updating your payout destination on your Apple ID is essential for ensuring you receive payments correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Go to the Apple ID website or open the Settings app on your device. Enter your Apple ID and password to log in. Step 2. Access payment information. Once logged in, navigate to the Payment and Shipping section. Here, you will find your current payout destination details. Step 3. Edit payout destination. Click on the option to edit your payout destination. You can choose to update your bank account information or select a different payout method. Step 4. Enter new information. Input the new payout destination details as required. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any issues with future payments. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new information, look for the Save or Update button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded and take effect. Make sure to double check your new payout destination to confirm everything is correct. Following these steps will help you manage your Apple ID payments effectively.